Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking baked garlic soy fish. So let's start cooking. Now we'll prepare the marinade for the fish. This is about 5 grams young ginger. We need to chop this up, so let me just slice it up. Now I'll just julienne this up first before I chop it up, so it's easier. Okay, we just need to pile them up together, shift it to one side, and then we can actually just mince this up very easily, like this. So once you have minced this up, we'll put this in a mixing bowl. Just put them into here. Next, we'll chop up our garlic. I'll be using 3 cloves of garlic. Just remove the skin. And just start to mince them up too. Same thing, after you've done mixing them up, we'll put them into the mixing bowl too. We'll need the stem of 1 spring onion. Just lightly smash it. Smash it to release the juice. Put it into your mixing bowl. Inside the mixing bowl, we'll add 1 tablespoon of Chinese rice wine. You can use plain water if you don't take alcohol. 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce. 1/3 of a teaspoon of sugar. 1/3 of a teaspoon of salt. And 1/2 teaspoon of sesame oil. Mix them up well, and this will be the marinade for our fish. I have with me over here 220 grams of garoupa fillet, washed. I just place them into here like this. You can use any white fish if you want to, cod, snapper, no problem at all. The most important thing is they must be fresh. We will marinate this for approximately 20 to 30 minutes. In the meanwhile, heat up your oven at 220 degrees Celsius for at least 30 minutes before we bake the fish. I have marinated the fish for approximately half an hour, so now we're just going to wrap it in this baking paper. Put the fish in, skin side up. I've cut 2 slits over here so that they can be cooked easily. And pour all the sauce on top of the fish. As well as the garlic and ginger. Spread it out. I've used 2 pieces of baking paper over here just to let the juice remain inside the paper package. So for this piece itself, I'm just going to get it up like this. Pull the corner down, or rather the sides. Scrape it up a little bit, pull it down. With the other side, we'll do the same. So something like this will be fine. Now we just need to pull this side over like this. Remember to remove the fish from the fridge 15 minutes prior to you baking the fish in the oven so that it will cook evenly. Turn it over to the other side. Pull up the corners. And pull it back up. You put this in the oven now. We'll cook this at 220 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. I'll see you back in a while. It's smelling very good in my kitchen now. the aroma coming out from the garlic, the ginger, this is really fantastic. Now 15 minutes is up, let's have a look. Yes, and it's time to serve this beautiful dish. And now the fish is done, let's have a taste. Smells so good. Full of flavor. The garlic, the ginger, this is really good. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Very flaky, very nice. See ya.